Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I am in what will be known as Studio C. I'll get to that in a minute. But today, what is happening, it is actually a good day. We got a lot of green today. We had a bounce back today. And for those of you that are new to the page, my name is Larry Jones. This is the family known as Stock Up. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. We're going to help you make money in 2023 in a bear market in a deeper recession that is soon to hit. Now, today, good people, make sure you don't fall for spam in the comment section. Today, we had a good day. Today was a good day. All right. And so a lot of people are excited. They're going, hey, things have turned around. We're all good. A lot of people are asking what I think about Tesla right now. I'm going to tell you. I'm still cool with Tesla. I'm still cool with not buying any Tesla. I'm still cool with not buying any more Tesla, right? Because Tesla turned around today, so did Apple. Apple turned around today. Apple was having its worst year since the great financial recession. And so Apple, the beloved Apple, like everybody owns Apple, right? And, you know, sometimes we throw the baby out with the bathwater. Kramer said something, and I agree with him. Apple, quit trying to trade Apple and just own Apple. And that's where I am with Apple. I'm just trying to own as much Apple as I can, and I'm not trading it. And the same thing will eventually happen with me with Tesla, though not at this point. Now, for those of you that bought Tesla under 185, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. If you bought it under 200, you'll be fine. It just takes a little longer to recoup, right? I think it's going lower. Now, here's what happens. We are in what's called a Christmas rally. I know I keep saying the Fed stole a Christmas rally, but we still will have a nice little bump. So I'm not going to call it a Christmas rally. I think that the S&P will close out still flat around 3,800-ish. You know, to me, a true Christmas rally would have been 41 or above 41-ish, right? That's, to me, that's what a true Christmas rally would have brought. That's what we were expecting earlier. And now that's just getting lowered and lowered. So here's what normally happens if you're new to the stock market. I believe it's like the last 5 days of December and the 2 first days of January of the following year. That is what's known as the Christmas rally, right? And we have a bump, right? And so we could be having a bump, and it could go there again until the next 2 days of January of 2023. What happens is a lot of people think that the coast is clear, you know, the pain is over, and they start to buy back in, and then the dump is coming. Now, I can't look you in the eye and tell you with assuredly that this is going to happen. But if you ask me, do I believe it's going to happen? I'm going to tell you yes. And that's how I'm trading my money. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. You have to do what's best for you. So me, I just see this as a bump. And I believe we're going to have a fall off. And I have my money, you know, I'm investing my money accordingly. Let me know in the comment section what you believe. You believe it's over, then go ahead. If you bought some Tesla today, you're good. You know, I started to buy some Tesla today, but I didn't. And because I own some Tesla. Remember, I've been $5 a day, and I've been doing the $5 a day, the Larry Jones $5 a day challenge. So I never stopped that, right? But as far as me buying really big into Tesla and buying some Tesla shares, I'm still going to wait. And I'll tell you exactly when I'm going to wait to. I'm going to wait until we have Q4 and Q1 of January, until we have the earnings report of big tech. Then I'm going to buy. And I don't care if it's higher than where it is now. No one knows where the bottom is. But I would just, me personally, I would feel better buying knowing that I waited until that data came out. So you do what's best for you. And like I'll say it again, if you buy it right now, I believe you'll be okay. Somebody may say, hey, Larry, what is going to be Tesla's price? Nobody really knows. We're all just guessing. You have to make a educated guess and just go with what you have to make a plan and just get in at some point. So I believe that we'll have this bump up, and then I believe after the first 10 days in January, if not earlier, I believe that Tesla will start to go back down. I believe it in the first week, Tesla will start to go back down. That's just, unfortunately, and I'm a Tesla bull. I want to own a lot of Tesla. Okay. So, one other thing, I'm going to talk about this vehicle that I'm in, because I want to help as many people as I can. But before we do that, remember, tomorrow is Friday. For those of you that have downloaded Moo and you want your 10 free stock and you put $100 in there, make sure, or you downloaded it, make sure you put your $100 in, and then give it time to clear, and then claim your free stock. And then turn around, put $1 in Webull and do the same thing. So Moo will be the top link. Put $100 in, you're gonna get 10 free stock. If you put more than that, you'll get even more. You can get up to 20 free stock. Okay, let's keep it moving. So about this car, I want you guys to know everything. Thankfully, I've been able to talk to a lot of wealthy people. This vehicle that I'm sitting in right now, I did not want to buy because I'm cheap. All right. I still shop at Ross. I'm still living in my same house I've been in 16 years now. And yes, I'm going to build a new house and all of that. But down the road, when real estate gets better, and I'm going to be on a real estate search, and I'm going to invite you guys in on it any which way I can. Now, this car. So I needed a business write-off, and I met with one of my accountants, and we spent all day. And because I want to be prepared before the end of the year, right? For those of you that needed to do tax loss harvesting, you have until the end of the year, and that's it. You cannot, you're done. And so I need you guys to be preparing right now. To be honest with you, I needed to do something for my company, and this is what made sense to me. I won't be driving this car 9 days a week. I'm only using this car to shoot videos in, because this is Studio C from me. And I put $5,000 down on a very expensive vehicle. Okay. And I get to write 100% of this vehicle off. Even though I'm paying notes on it, I get to write 100% of this vehicle off because it weighs over 6,000 pounds. These are some of the things that wealthy people take advantage of that we don't. We try to be reserved. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. And at the end of the day, we're giving the government money that we should be keeping for ourselves. So for those of you that got businesses, you have until the end of the year, and it has to make sense for you. Don't just go spend money and get yourself in more in debt. Okay. It has to make sense for you. So when I sat down with my accountant, it just made sense. And about 2 weeks ago, I went and just got this vehicle. It's been sitting in my garage, good people. And so I just want to let you guys know that don't know about it, because, I didn't know about this a few years ago. I didn't know anything about the 6,000 pounds, anything like this. That's why people are buying jets. I know somebody, I don't know him, but a real estate developer bought a $50 million jet, but he didn't have taxes for a year and a half because he wrote it off. A lot of you guys know me, Kevin. He bought a jet. Love him or hate him, I think it's a smart thing for him in his tax bracket, which I am not, because it's going to serve as a tax write-off for him. He's a pretty smart guy. He'll figure it out. But I just wanted to let you guys know everything. I don't want you giving away any unnecessary money. And if you're going to do any tax loss harvesting, you got until the end of this year. All right. So start looking towards that. But as far as this Christmas bump or this Christmas rally, I'm not even going to call it a Christmas rally because the Fed stole that. This little bump, be careful. I would not be going all in, and I still think we got a fall off. Not that, hey, Larry, you keep talking about this fall off like you want it to happen. No, I don't want it to happen. Don't trust me. Look at the data. Just look at the data. Be prepared, okay? We ain't scared. We prepared. Now, the studio is tore up from the floor. I got wires everywhere. I got a new install coming in. I got a new look for 2023. I got one video that I'm going to release, and then I will see you guys in the new year. Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to come live and refreshed, and we refocus, and we're going to help you guys make as much money as we can. All right. Make sure you click the 2 links below, especially the top link, and get those free stock. Get it funded today. And we'll see you next year. Live, love, laugh, and learn.